Blackened seasoning, pulled pork nachos, homemade tortilla chips. Let's do it. We are going to start by giving it a binder with our southbound sauce, and then we're going to give it a good hit with our blackened seasoning rub. Give it a rub on all sides. Make sure you go front and back, and then get it on the grill. We have our smoker set at 150°C, and we're going to smoke it for about 3 hours, and then we're going to come and wrap it in foil, then get it back on the smoker for another 3 hours. Going to bring the internal temperature to around 95°C, and then we're going to take it off and give it a rest for about 30 minutes. Now onto our tomatoes, cut them in half, put them into our tray, give them a bit of oil and season them up with some garlic salt. Get them on the smoker for about half an hour. Next up is our tortilla chips. Give them a fry until they're golden brown, then give them a really good hit with some chili lime rub. This makes a huge difference, so make sure you get a really nice amount in there. These tasted incredible. I can't even begin to tell you how good they were. Now making our salsa, we're going to chop up our tomatoes, chop up our onions, dice up our avocado, give it a really good mix together. The flavor of this all mixed together was really, really unique. Giving a hit of that chili lime rub just adds that extra flavor compound in there. After our pork is rested, we're going to open her up, give it a really good mix, and just have a look at how juicy this all is. Give it a hit with some of those kidney beans, a little bit of little spicy sauce. We're going to lay down some of the chips, some of the pork and bean mixture. Adding in some of that grated manchego cheese for that extra authentic kick. And just take a look at how these turned out. We're going to give them a hit with some sour cream, finish them off with some of that avocado and smoked tomato salsa, and I'm telling you, these were the absolute bomb. You've got to give them a try. That's insane. It's so good.